This custom fitted wagon, the alloy roof rack, is based on a 1200 times 200 and 400 plywood box on top of the water pipes. The main box effective height is 600 millimeters of storage, 38 times 38 vertical plywood on the sides. Braced by 100 times 38 millimeter radiator pine. Half lap joints to secure everything. All hexagon screwed and prime painted, this two-piece box is hinged for easy access. Also, fire screens are also fitted to the interior to keep the bugs and mosquitoes out on these guys' travels. All standard watercocks are used and each has a separate tap. The rear windows are to be painted in murals to give a credible effect on the vehicle.